Miracle is the way things ought to be. Ought to be. Ought to be.
Nowadays, it's hard to project yourself into the future. Everything is moving fast, faster than ever. Technologies like AI are changing almost everything. Some jobs will disappear, and others will transform completely. So positioning yourself in 2026, that's not easy. But here's the key. Invest in what will always remain valuable. Skills and knowledge that AI can't replace. Because AI can translate words, sentences, but doesn't build respect. You've seen the tools, instant translation, perfect messages, and it works. But no machine can replace human communication. Nothing replaces the respect you earn when you genuinely try to connect with someone from a different culture. When you make the effort, when you speak, even imperfectly, people notice that. They respect your courage. They respect the fact that you are building a bridge between different worlds. And today, connection creates opportunity. From my experience, especially in cultures that seem closed or reserved, this effort is deeply appreciated. That's why one of the most valuable skills for the future is your ability to connect. And yes, this is personal, but it's also business. So if you have the opportunity to learn a new language, to explore a new way of expressing yourself, just take it. You don't need years like people say. You just need the right method, the right motivation, and above all, a clear vision. So start simple. Learn a few sentences. Use them. Repeat them. That's how it begins. Starting from who you are today, you can build who you want to become, an upgraded version of yourself. Now imagine yourself 6 months from now, speaking another language, connecting with new people, talking about your work, your projects, your ideas, in a completely new environment. That's not just a skill. That's a new dimension of your life. And that's exactly what I help people do. I help them turn languages and cultural codes into real assets. You bring your personality, I give you the strategy, the structure, and the momentum to make it happen. I'm still on that path myself. Every month, a new challenge. Every month, a new goal. And seeing others grow the same way, that's what drives me. So stay connected for more, and thanks for watching.